shut you out, we'll put you in doubt if you think that you're special. We'll tell you who you are, we'll tell you that you're close but no cigar. But I don't wanna hear it. No, it's fine and I accept, 'cause I don't care where I belong no more. What we share or not I will ignore. And I won't waste my time fitting in, 'cause I don't think good justice a sin. What they say is, go back where you came from. They tell you that, but I don't wanna hear. No, I don't wanna hear. No, I don't wanna hear it. No, it's fine and I accept, 'cause I don't care where I belong no more. What we share or not I will ignore. And I won't waste my time fitting in, 'cause I don't think good justice a sin. No, it's not a sin.
Five lovely lessons learned today. Counting my throat with dust of a new day. As I said, spread along the way. The devil lives a passion I to wait. If it's all my heart, honestly, they'll drop the bomb on me and I'll wake up. I can only fix much of my slate. I can only drink so much this empty cup. I know I lost nothing but thoughts. I'm always beating too much. I'm holding aces high, low, and in between. I'm trying to break my bone. Give me a piece of what you got. I'll make it new and with much less thought. It's symbolic and full of trash. Lofty endearments whispered out and brag. Five lessons remembered each day. Easing my mind and seizing each new day. Beyond and back I'm still